I can only control myself. That's the only thing within my control. And controlling myself is a 24-hour a day job, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. I am present for every moment of my life. That's the only constant in my life. For every single thing in my life, I have always been the one present. I'll never be in a moment or a situation with another person or in another place in which I am not present. This form, this being, this human, this energy field is my only job in every moment of this life. No thing, no person or situation outside of me is any of my business. The only business I have is this form. And this is a business. This is literally a business. It must be monitored for its debits and its credits. It must be monitored for leaking. It must be monitored for health. It must be monitored for nutrition. It must be pooed. It must be pooped. It must be peed. It must be washed. It must be fed. It must be entertained. And it needs 24/7, 365 maintenance. I control me, and you control you.